What's up, y'all? Happy Monday. Today is April the 27th. I'm on my first job, or my only job of the day. This is a new client. She found me online. She's moving in the Decatur. Guys, I have been in this Decatur area so much lately, and also Atlanta. I actually have to go do an in-home consultation once I get the coating down here, because she's going with the UV cure. I never came out here to do a consultation. She sent me pictures, sent me measurements, and she also added the two more bedrooms. So it's about 700 square feet, screen recoat with UV cure. That's $350 a square foot. I also just got a call from a guy that said he had his floors done. He has a condo in Buckhead, about 2,100 square feet. Going to look at that floor Friday. He said, Courtney, after doing research, they did not do a good job on my floor, so I need to find someone to redo them. Unfortunately, they did put oil base on his floor, so with that being said, he had to wait at least a month to let it off gas before I will attempt to do anything. Some companies are desperate and they'll just go in there and just try to do anything. So with that being said, guys, also we do have a second job today for one of my repeat clients. He has an office in Lawrenceville, and he has these 3 small VCT floors. I sent Tavares to do that, so he's able to take care of that. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, what I got going today. So again, guys, I'm in Decatur, right off of Memorial Drive and Columbia Drive. This is where I'm from, Decatur. I actually did 2 jobs in Decatur last week. Actually, the job I did Saturday was in Decatur, right off of Memorial Drive. So these are the floors. Again, a lot of these older homes, they have these floors right here. And again, man, this floor would come out perfect with a sanding, but a lot of people do not want to go through the sanding process, and it's 2 reasons. It's either the convenience, like this client, she's trying to hurry up and move in, or the cost factor. Sanding, especially if it's a company that does it right, sanding, let's say they want to keep it natural, you're looking at $5-6 a square foot. If you want to stain it, you're talking about $7-8 a square foot. Just depends on the company. I tell clients, if you get sanding for $2-4 a square foot, you should start asking some questions, okay? So with that being said, guys, these are the floors that I'm going to do today. You see some wear right there. All right, so and then after I get the coating down, I'm gonna go do a consultation in Midtown and I think she's in a condo. Yeah, oh, this is about to come out great. All right, guys, let me get this party started. Stay tuned. Let me see if I got a tripod on the truck.
Yeah. Truman One-Day, watch me. Yeah, I bet you can't do it like me. I bet you can't do it like me. They try to copy, but they can't compete. No, they can't do it like me. I bet they can't do it like me. Same day, back on your feet. Screen recoat UV. No, they can't do it like me. Yeah. Pull up clean van shine, logo loud. Client looking like, man, you the one right now. They was told replace it or sand it down. I walk in like, nah, we can turn it around. Light screen, let it bite, bring it back to light. Color correction, got it looking right. They were thinking new flows, been racks tonight. I save them time and money, yeah, I do it right. Technicians out of guessing, I perfect the craft. Years in the game, I ain't cutting half. They try to mimic moves, but it never lasts. Different level work, I'm built for that. I bet you can't do it like me. I bet you can't do it like me. They try to copy, but they can't compete. No, they can't do it like me. Well, I bet they can't do it like me. Same day, back on your feet. Screen recoat UV. No, they can't do it like me. They say 2-3 days, I say same day done. UV hit the flow, now it's ready for fun. No dust, no mess, still a flawless run. That Truman system, yeah, the chosen one. They watching my videos, taking notes, trying to copy every move that I wrote. But the skill ain't there, it's a different code. You can't fake experience, that's just facts I told. Customers call me like we seen your name. Google, YouTube, yeah, they know the game. 5-star work, I built that fame. Why they out here still trying to explain? I bet you can't do it like me. I bet you can't do it like me. They try to copy, but they can't compete. Nah, they can't do it like me. Yeah, I bet they can't do it like me. Same day, back on your feet. Screen recoat UV. No, they can't do it like me. Yeah. They watching every move, trying to step in these shoes. But this ain't what they used to. Truman, one day. Yeah. Back on your floor, same day. You already know. They can't do it like me.
All right, guys, I am done. I am doing the walkthrough with my client, Miss Amber, and she loves her floors. They look good, Amber? It looks great. All right, guys, as you can see, I did some color correction to this floor. Remember, it was really worn right here. This floor came out amazing. And you know what, guys? It makes me feel so good that I built a reputation for myself for helping people with their floors. I had a guy call me. He said, Courtney, you gave me a quote about a year ago. And he said, I'm trying to convince my wife to let you do the floors because she wants to change the color. And I don't want, this is what he told me. I want you to do my floors, but I know you don't sand floors. He said, I know you got guys that do it for you, but he said, Courtney, I want you to do my floors. So I'm gonna talk to her and see if I can convince her to let you come just screen and recoat and opposing of sanding and changing the color. And this was about maybe 30 minutes ago when he called me. So, all right, guys, well, that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. Tomorrow, I have 5 in-home consultations. 5 in-home consultations. First one's in Loganville, then Loganville, coming, 2 in Chateau-Lawn. Can you believe that? 2 in Chateau-Lawn and 1 in Atlanta for a contractor who was referred to me by a contractor that I work for, and that contractor was referred to me by a contractor. So I'm going to talk to his clients tomorrow. They just want to, just be sure that this system will work, which it will. They just have a lot of construction dust in the floors after the renovation, and they just want to, so they paid for an in-home consultation, and I'm going to be out there tomorrow. All right, guys, I will see you on Wednesday. Wednesday, we have 2 projects, 2 small projects. A clean and buffing, which my client, the first one, she called me today, said, Courtney, I won't be there, but I'll leave a key there for you, and a small screen and recoat. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
I'm really happy.
Thank you.
We're just waiting. We're like, should we just live with it?
And you know the best part? 2 things I'm gonna notice that you recognize. First, done in 1 day,
Yeah.
even with adding the 2 bedrooms. And number 2, no dust.
Yeah.
No dust.
Super nice.
Yes, ma'am.